Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. And in today's subscription box Saturday, I have for you my January selfie box. So you guys know that I absolutely love the selfie box. It is one of my favorite beauty box subscriptions. So without further ado, let's see what they put in this month. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Let's see what they got in here. All right. I did pre-open it, but I'm having some trouble here. All right, here's what it looks like once I open it up. Awesome, awesome. So the little card says Happy New Year from the selfie box. And they are on Instagram and Facebook as well at self-ybox. There's no .com. That's it. All right, here's what the card looks like. Super cute, right? So they have all the products listed on the back of the card. So let's just start digging in, guys. All right. So we have this Catherine Natural All Over Powder Berry Bronze. It says to live in joy from Catherine. All right, guys, here's what it looks like. I can totally see the glare, but I think it's off now. So there you go. All right, let's go ahead and open it, but I'm not keeping it. I can tell you that right now. This is going to go to one of my nieces. Ooh, it's got a nice little brush in there. Look at that. That's nice. All right, let's get to what the product. Oh my gosh. Is there a product in here, or we have another note from Catherine. It says, "Hey, Catherine girl. Hey, girl. Enjoy the natural little things in life that make you feel confident and pretty. Love and laughter. Catherine, make a difference. Join us." I love that. That's actually super cute. A little note there. That's cute. All right, so let's get to the thing here. I love her packaging. This is stellar packaging. I know, like, I was making fun, but this is really stellar packaging. I mean, this is stellar. Yeah, this is really nice. Okay, so, ooh, we finally get to it. Oh. Well, it's like I'm sorry. Ugh, I'm going to blind you guys with that mirror, but I'm sorry. When I think of a bronzer, I always think of those, I don't know what makeup stuff is, obviously, guys. When you look at my makeup today, clearly I don't know what the heck I'm doing, but I'm just saying, I always thought a bronzer was not like this is a blush. Is bronzer blush? I don't know. Can somebody educate me, because I clearly have no idea what I'm talking about. I'm just unboxing this to let you guys know what you get in here, but I know nothing about any of this stuff. If you want to know more information about products, check out Casey's channel. Casey Has Opinions and Terrible Video Skills, or True Ones, because they know about all this stuff. So I'm just going to show you what's in here, and I can read about it on the card, and that might help a little bit. So Catherine Cosmetics All Over Bronzer, the value of it is $22. It's natural all over face powder that gives your complexion that sought after sun-kissed glow. Instantly look healthy and refreshed for that back from the beach look, or achieve a sculpted contour perfected finish for selfie approved nights out. Okay, so fanned application brush included, cruelty-free, gluten-free, natural, and female-owned. Ba-bam! Love it. All right, guys, so that was the first product, and I took a lot of time on it. Sorry about that. So let's move on. Okay, so next we have this Averini Softening Hydro Whip. Okay, so here's their box, right? And let me open this up. What's a Hydro Whip? I know, guys. I'm so sorry. Softening coconut oil, rosehip seed, and shea nut. Okay, so here's their little packaging here from the inside. I'm going to go ahead and open this up because I am very curious about it. Ooh. Okay, it has an okay smell. Not a lot going on there. So I'm going to go ahead and read about this. I didn't touch it at all because this might go to someone else. We'll have to see. Let me see what this is about. So, Averini Softening Hydro Whip. Ooh, baby. This is... All right, I got to tell you guys how much was in here. I'm sorry. They don't tell me. Normally, I like to give you guys the ounces just so that you know. So should I find that information when I'm researching the product, I will pop it up on the screen for you so that you can see it. But there's no information on their packaging itself. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Okay, so the lightest moisturizer ever, or we've ever owned. This ultra hydrating solution locks in moisture, nourishes, and it softens skin. This is a brand truly dedicated to women's empowerment, with 2% of annual proceeds donated to support young women's education from impoverished backgrounds in India. That is pretty awesome. All right, so it is formulated with organic coconut oil, meadow foam, and rosehip seed oils, and lavender extract. So it's cruelty-free, vegan, 100% natural, female-owned, and made in the USA, baby! Woo! Okay, I'm going to keep this and use it just for that reason alone. So I told you guys the value is $55. And again, if I find out like the ounces and all that kind of stuff, which I'm sure I will when I research the product, I will pop it. I think it's over here on this side of the screen for you guys. Okay, let's jump into the next product. Bella Perry Cosmetics Gel Eyeliner. A gel eyeliner. I probably won't be very good at this, guys. So here is the little packaging though. So I don't know. Let's open it up. I probably won't be very good at this, but let's have a look. This is what I love about the Selfie box. They bring some products to my attention that I otherwise would have never found. Okay, so here's... Are you guys seeing it? Oh, I hope you're seeing it. I just don't know until I watch it back. Oh, no, I can use this. Here it is. Yeah, I can totally use this for sure. And it's black, which is amazing. Okay, so let's take a look at this, guys. This one is a Bella Perry Waterproof Gel Eyeliner. The value is $16. So it's creamy waterproof eyeliner for true definition that lasts all day. This liner glides on smoothly and is formulated with pure minerals, natural waxes, and antioxidants, making them hypoallergenic and safe for all skin types. And it's cruelty-free. So I'm going to do a little, oh, it's okay, guys. I'm not impressed with it, sorry, on my hand here, but because the one that I have on now is Balm. I don't know how to pronounce that company. It's DOUCCE or something. I love this one. This one I will definitely give it a go, but it doesn't seem as bold as I would like, but yeah, we'll give it a go. That's fine. Go Selfie box. They never disappoint me. I love this box. I really do. Okay, let's go ahead and see what this is. A Wild Konjac Facial Cleansing Sponge infused with French pink clay. Okay, so here's this guy right here. All right, I'm down for a facial sponge for sure. Let's have a look at it, guys. Ooh, it's hard. I'm sure it'll soften up, but here's what it looks like outside of the thing. It's got a little hang up thingamabobber. Has no smell at all. So okay, let's check it out, guys. Wild French Pink Clay Konjac Sponge. The value is $17. So it's one of their favorite natural brands. This natural gentle exfoliating sponge is made from 100% natural konjac plants infused with ultra-soothing French pink clay to purify pores without drying your skin. So nourishing vitamins and minerals help brighten complexion and promote healthy skin. It leaves skin soft and dewy after every use. That's cool. Infuses pores with rich minerals and vitamins. And they list all the vitamins. I'm not going to go over that. It's all natural, cruelty-free, vegan, plant-based, and biodegradable. Okay, guys, that's pretty awesome. So I have one more product in here, and let's grab that one out. It is called Sunshine Dew Antioxidant Cleansing Oil from Earth Harbor. Okay, so there is your little packaging there. All right, so let's go ahead and have a look. See? A look-a-see. It's got a dropper. All right, here it is. Looks very medicine-like. Let's have a smell. It doesn't smell bad. I mean, there's not any strong smell happening there. I'm going to tighten that up on there because we'll see what this is and decide whether or not I am going to keep it or pass it along. So this one is Earth Harbor Sunshine Dew. The value of the product is $24. Oh, I always forget to look. It is 2 fluid ounces or 60 milliliters. Okay, so summer is never too far away. This oil cleanser with its papaya fruit enzymes, citrus fruits, sunflower oil, and coconut reminds us of sweet tropical sunshine. Oh, I could go for some sweet tropical sunshine right now, guys. Rinse is completely clean with water, no tugging, scrubbing, or greasy feeling, just an effortless oil massage and rinse, leaving skin fresh, soft, and bright while improving impurities, pollution, and makeup. It is cruelty-free, vegan, 100% natural, 1% of profits are donated to environmental causes, and it is female owned. Woo! Okay, guys, so that's wrapping up everything that's in the box. So I'm going to go ahead and tally everything that I got. I'm going to come back and I'm going to tell you the value for this month's box. Okay, guys, so I tallied up all of the products for this box, but first let's go through a run through of everything that I got, and I'll tell you what the total value is for the entire box. So we have the Averini Softening Hydra Whip for $55, the Earth Harbor Sunshine Dew for $24, the Catherine Cosmetics All Over Bronzer for $22, the Wild French Pink Clay Konjac Sponge for $17, and the Bella Perry, I don't know, waterproof gel eyeliner for $16, making the total value for this box $134. That's pretty awesome, guys. I pay $25 a month for this box, so definitely the value is there. But with these boxes, I also feel that the value is only there if you're using all of the products. So if you find that you're getting all these awesome, expensive products in your boxes, but you're not using them all, then it's really not worth it. You know what I mean? But this box is always worth it for me. I do find myself reaching for all or most of the products that they send me. Even if I'm a little on the fence about it, I normally give it a try and then end up liking it. So I highly recommend this box. I absolutely love it. They are cruelty free, and obviously they try to focus on companies who have causes, which is awesome. I am so glad I got a product made in the USA. That just makes me so happy. All right, guys, that's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff, and in today's subscription box Saturday. Okay, guys, so that went well. Let's try it. Okay, guys, so something in this box that doesn't want to throw right. Try it again. Okay, guys, so I want to throw right. I better take my address off because this is not throwing right at all. Okay, guys, so here's my box. That actually worked, but I wasn't ready for it to work, so try it again. Waterproof gel eyeliner, value for $16. That makes the total value for this box, and I totally screwed that up, so we're going to do it again. We're going to do it again. Okay, guys, so I tallied up all of the products for this month's box, so I'm going to do a quick run through of everything that I got and how much the value is.